Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you a penny stock that I believe is going to double in share price, and not only that, I believe it's a good buy and hold penny stock for the long term because there's good things going for this company long term and it's only going to see the share price rise. So the company behind this penny stock is Regulus Therapeutics. So Regulus Therapeutics, they develop first-in-class drugs to treat a broad range of diseases by targeting the microRNA. So in this video, I'm going to look at the company overview of Regulus, and I'm going to go through the fundamental analysis, basically why I believe this is a good company to invest in. And I'm going to go through the technical analysis and basically why I believe right now is a good time to buy. And lastly, I'm going to give a price target, an initial price target for where I believe this stock is going to go to. So make sure you guys watch to the end. Hi guys, welcome back to Investor Prime TV. David here. If you're new, this channel is a one-stop shop for anything investment. So investment ideas, investment discussions, stock picks, when to get in the market, when to get out. So make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and of course hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads. With that being said, let's get this bread. So let's have a look at the company overview and the fundamental analysis, basically why I believe this is a good company to get behind and invest in. So if we'll have a look at the profile of Regulus Therapeutics. So Regulus Therapeutics, they closed on Friday's session at $1.53. So they were down by 3.77%, which seeing reds is basically an opportunity to get in the market at a cheaper price. So a lot of people may see reds and shy away from the market, but I see reds as an opportunity to get in the market. Basically, the stock is on sale. Regulus Therapeutics Inc., a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company, engages in the discovery and development of drugs that target microRNAs to treat a range of diseases in the United States. Its two lead product candidates include Rg12, an anti-MIR targeting MIR21, that is in phase 2 clinical trial for the treatment of Alport syndrome, a life-threatening kidney disease. So the market cap is 102.35 million. So the plans they've got for expanding this company that they have in the pipeline, I don't see why this doesn't become a small or mid-cap company in the future. So the trading volume on Friday was 2.1 million shares being traded. So that's roughly the same as the average volume, okay, which is still quite high in terms of trading volume, which means that there's a number of people getting involved in this stock, investing in this stock, buying up this stock, etc. So if we have a look at what analysts are saying, so currently analysts are actually saying that this is leaning more towards a buy. This is a good time to get in. They believe that this is a stock to buy right now. So Regulus, they have a lot of plans for this company, for the business, moving the business forward, and they're working towards achieving those plans and achieving successes in those plans. So before we go into the Rg12 drug and why basically I'm using this as part of my fundamental analysis, so let's have a look at what Alport syndrome is. So Alport syndrome is a genetic condition characterized by kidney disease, hearing loss, and eye abnormalities. People with Alport syndrome experience progressive loss of kidney function. So let's have a look at what the Rg12 drug is really and look a little bit in depth into that. Rg12 is an experimental therapy being developed by Regulus Therapeutics to treat Alport syndrome. It has received orphan drug designation from both US Food and Drug Administration and the European Commission as a potential therapy for a rare disease. So this is huge for the company because the FDA and European Commission are both recognizing this drug as a potential candidate. This could be huge for the company because they're going to get a lot of business both in the USA and in Europe. So they're going to be able to tap into both markets, which means that they're going to have a huge revenue stream or even bigger revenue stream. So there's going to be a lot of demand for their drug, and ultimately for us investors it'll be good because the share price is just going to rise. The more investors basically get behind this company and get behind this stock, getting in now as a penny stock while it's cheap will yield good return on investments when the share price rises. Rg12 has shown promising results in preclinical trials in a mouse model of Alport syndrome. Rg12 has been shown to successfully silence MIR21, thereby slowing the rate of thickening of the GLM, improving kidney function, and boosting life expectancy by up to 50%. So basically they've been successful in trialing this drug, or this drug has been successful in mice trials. Okay, so they're one step closer to achieving human trials. So if we have a look at the chart of Regulus Therapeutics, so Rgls, as you can see, so as the price was rising, effectively a strong resistance was formed at $1.33, or roughly $1.33. Basically, the price rose up to there and created this resistance. So the price came down to 44 cents. So since then, it stayed below this $1.33. So it's effectively stayed below that price for the whole year of 2020. And then recently it tested it towards the end of 2020. So in December of 2020, as it tested it, it proved to be a resistance. But the bulls carried the price going forward because they were determined to break through this price. The bears brought the price back down. So this could have been seen as a false breakout of this price. But the bulls didn't give up. Okay, they were determined to break out of this because of news that's happening with this company, positive news that's happening with this company, and also positive earnings. They've been having positive year-on-year earnings, which shows growth in this company. And that's good for investors because they have confidence that this is a growth stock. Okay, so this is a stock that you put your money in and it's just going to grow. Okay, even if you forget about it, it's just going to grow over time because the company behind it, they're doing good things. So the bulls carried on. A lot of investors were getting into this stock, etc. And we saw another breakout of that resistance at $1.33 on the 26th of January. So fairly recent, okay? And since then, pretty much the price came back down to test this. The way breakouts go is if it breaks out a resistance, then that old resistance or that resistance that got broken out of is theoretically a support. Until it does that, then it's only a support in theory. So now that the price has actually come down and tested this as a support, this is a confirmed support. Okay, so this is partially why I believe this is a good time to get in on this stock right now, because you're getting in on this stock pretty much at the support. There's going to be a lot of demand for this stock now that it's broken out of this effectively yearly resistance. If we go way back, I would say even 2 years, this resistance has been around for about 2 years. So as you can see, every time it came up and tested it, the price fell, which shows that this is a very good resistance, or this was a very good resistance. So if the price stays above this 133, then I believe that this share price is going to go through the roof. So make sure you guys get on board Regulus Therapeutics. So ticker symbols RGLS. Like I mentioned in the technical analysis, the price broke out of that key resistance of $1.33. Okay, and also they've got this RG12 drug that's going through clinical trials. They're given a chance by the FDA and the European Commission. Basically, they've got the eyes on their drug, the Rg12, because they've been successful in the mice tests, clinical trials. They've been successful with that. So as it progresses, the trials progress, the more recognition that they'll get for this drug, and also the more investors will get on board this company. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads. And guys, comment below, let me know if you're thinking about getting behind Regulus as a company and also the stock. Or even if you're already in Regulus, let me know in the comments below. Alright, thanks guys. I'll see you in the next video.